So welcome back guys. My name is Amlan and in today's Make Noise Free campaign, we try to solve a certain phone issue. Now many Android users have reported that they are not able to see contact names in their call logs. So when they head towards phone and they see the recent list of their call history, they are not able to see contact names. Now if you're also facing this issue, maybe this few steps would help you. Head towards your phone settings. I'm using a MI phone. Scroll down until you see accounts and sync. Basically the thing here is that you should be syncing Google contacts. So like all your contacts should be synced with Google. So simply tap on Google and just check whether your contacts have been synced. So like just go ahead and uncheck this and then just again do this so that it gets synced right now. So it's presently 505, so it's 505. So just go ahead and do this with your contacts, and maybe you can do this with other things also. In case you are finding it difficult syncing with your Google account, simply log out, log back in, and then try doing this. This should work. Now head towards more. If you have more than one accounts, do this for all accounts, and you can simply do it from here as well. And all your Google stuff, like including calendar, contacts, drive, Gmail, everything will get synced. So like that is one way of doing this, but it's very important that you sync your contacts. Now hopefully doing this, now you will be able to see your phone call logs with contact names. If it still doesn't work, head towards your phone settings. Now head towards apps, tap on manage apps. Now search for your phone app. So head towards your phone app. Now here what you are required to do is head towards storage. Now very importantly, clear data. So clear all data and clear all cache. So you are required to do that, like all the data and the cache should be cleared. This is again very important. Once you do this, you can go ahead and also reboot your phone. You would like to check once your app permissions just to see whether contacts and everything is already there. Even if it's not there, please bring it back. You may also try removing it and then bringing it back. Sometimes this helps, but please do allow all permissions. So no issue. Give storage permission as well. So give app permissions to phone, and likewise for phone services also. What I request is like go ahead and like clear data once. Don't worry, none of your like your phone thing goes away, contacts or other thing doesn't go away. And again, cache and other things should be cleared. And again, give all permissions to phone services as well. For both phone and phone services, just check that your notifications are turned on. So like basically sometimes people report that they are not getting alerts for incoming calls. So just ensure that all the notifications are turned on. Sometimes Android update may simply turn this off. So hopefully all this helps. One other thing also that you can do is just check whether there is an update available for the phone. Sometimes doing a latest update may also rectify such issues. Once like the phone storage has been deleted and the Google contacts has been synced, what you can do is simply go ahead and reboot the phone. Once you do that, hopefully your problem should be solved. And there you go, the phone is rebooting. So hopefully now things should work. So just go ahead and let me know guys whether this helped you. Put that in the comment section. If this helps, then please do subscribe, tap on the bell icon for notifications, and please don't forget the two major things that you are required to do: syncing up Google contacts and like deleting phone storage, and ensuring that all app permissions were given, because if you don't give contacts permission, then quite obviously the contacts name won't display. So hopefully all this makes sense. Until next time, it's me Amlan signing off.